everyone, we are here at Uncafe Select City Walk. We are here at Cosmopolitan Beauty and Fashion Week in conversation with Spanjal head trainer, exclusive business Colorbar Cosmetics. Hi Spanjal.
Hi. Hi everyone.
So we'll jump into questions directly, Spanjal. What is the opinion on recent trends of makeup products infused with skincare?
So I think makeup infused with skincare is the big trend right now, and it will continue for a long time. Main reason being the consumer today is very educated. So even for today, even for us as a brand, Colorbar, when we train our BAs or when we train our artists at the store, we have started emphasizing a lot on ingredient training. That's because every consumer who walks into the store today wants to know that what is it inside that I'm going to be applying on my face. The more educated the consumer is today, everybody is a makeup artist on their own.
Yeah.
They all want to use safe, clean beauty products.
Definitely.
So the trend is there to stay for long.
Can you name common skin ingredients that are often found in makeup products?
Some of the ingredients which are commonly found and also very commonly found in our Colorbar products. One is hyaluronic acid. I'm sure everybody is aware of it. So hyaluronic acid is something which is actually present in our body. We are born with it. But as we age, it keeps reducing because it binds the moisture inside your skin. So the hydration that your skin gets, how plumpy and how young your skin looks, depends on the amount of hyaluronic acid in your skin. So that's one of the major ingredients that everybody's talking about. We talk about retinol, which is a very famous anti-aging ingredient these days. We have a very interesting serum range in which we have a retinol serum. We also have a timeless lift range in skincare, which is completely retinol based, and it is an anti-aging range, a complete range, starting from a face wash to the entire regime, which is your cleansing, toning, treatment, moisturization. So it covers all of that. And some other important ingredients are vitamin C. We all know vitamin C is a great ingredient to have in our products. And we all know that it is something which helps in brightening the skin.
Yes.
So everybody loves vitamin C. Everybody wants vitamin C in their moisturizers, foundations, everything.
Yeah.
Vitamin E is another good ingredient to have in your products. That's because vitamin E helps again in hydrating. So it maintains the hydration in your skin, and it has anti-inflammatory properties. So if you have mild redness, if you're a person whose skin tends to start swelling when you go under the sun, or if you're out, then vitamin E is something that you should have in your skincare and beauty regime. Niacinamide again has been very popular these days, and it's an excellent ingredient for acne prone skin. So someone who has an acne prone skin or someone who has sensitive skin, I think niacinamide is a great ingredient for all of them. Also helps in minimizing the appearance of your pores, works on the acne marks left and all of that. So I think currently these are some trending ingredients which are there in the market.
Great. How can customer identify makeup products that claim to have skincare benefits? Are there any labels or keywords on the product?
While having a great coverage is a great thing. So a couple of things besides this is SPF. You can always look for an SPF in your foundation. Your BB creams. I think they really help. Now we have foundations with hyaluronic acid.
Great.
So that will give you a skincare benefit along with the makeup properties that it has. So it will keep your foundation will not dry, it will not clamp off, it will not look too cakey because we are adding hyaluronic acid which makes it hydrating. Another very common query that a lot of customers have when they come to buy foundation is that every time when I apply my foundation, it looks very nice. After a couple of hours, it grays out. My face looks dull. It grays out. So for those kind of consumers, I think they should look for foundations with antioxidants. So as I said, vitamin C, vitamin E, these are some of antioxidants. So the antioxidants give a texture to the foundation which prevents it from graying after a couple of hours.
Wow.
And SPF obviously, if you're going out in the sun and you're wearing a foundation, I think SPF is a great thing.
Yeah, definitely. That's a great tip for a customer. Please note all the points. And again, what are the common misconceptions or myths about makeup with skincare benefits that you would like to debunk?
first misconception or myth is, should all my makeup products have skincare benefits? You know, if
No.
I ask you that, do you want skincare benefits on all your makeup?
No.
Yes. So if my eyeshadow has skincare benefits, it's not really helping me out,
Okay.
right? So we need to first identify what are the right products with skincare benefits.
Right.
So Colorbar as a brand founded by Mr. Sameer Modi has, we've idealized the brand in such a way that every customer walking in, instead of just giving her what we want to give her, we want to first understand her need.
Yes.
So when there is a consumer walking in, there are a lot of technology. There is a lot of technology that we're using at the stores right now. So under Mr. Modi's vision, we've launched 2 apps in the store. One is actually a skin analysis app. So it'll analyze your skin and tell you that
That's
what
great.
are your concerns, and then accordingly recommend products for you.
Yeah.
Second is a beauty quiz, which we've just recently launched at our stores, which will ask you a couple of questions. It will ask you what are your top skin concerns, what are your top makeup priorities.
Yeah.
So it has a couple of looks. The customer can actually identify herself with what kind of a look you want. You want to go out in the evening, there is a classic smoky night out look and glam goddess and stuff like that. So whatever is in trend, we've kept that mind and we've come up with looks. We ask for your preferred colors. There are people who love reds, there are people who don't wear red ever.
Exactly. Yeah.
Right? So we ask those kind of questions and then we recommend products accordingly. So a lot of research and development also goes in making a product. So every time when, and a lot of training also goes behind it.
I'm sure.
So every time a new product is launched, there is months of extensive research being done. Boss is very, very particular about creating clean beauty products for the educated market that we are in today, and making it very accessible for every user. So that's what we keep in mind. We keep Mr. Modi's vision. A lot of research and development goes behind producing, and after the product actually comes, we spend hours on training people on it. So a lot of training goes behind educating every artist standing at the store who's actually facing the consumer. So because we don't want to sell a lipstick, we want to sell something, we want to sell a reason to the customer to come back to Colorbar.
So what are the simple tips for incorporating makeup with skincare benefits into daily beauty online?
Even when I'm there at the store, a customer would come and she'll say that I don't have a lot of time. Just give me something which is quick to use because I don't have hours to spend on my skin. And every time I get
do you think that's the way to go? Like
every time I get a customer like that, I tell her, ma'am, it's not spending, it is investing. So the more time you invest in your skin, you will reap the benefits in future. And you don't really need hours, but you need a routine, and that routine should be followed.
So our viewers should know this, that what is important is the routine.
Yes. Even if it is a 5-minute routine, you don't need to have an extensive 20-minute routine. Even if it is a 5-minute routine, which can start with cleansing. A toner is a must. Everybody should use a toner every day.
Right.
For treatment, you can have an extensive treatment regime where you have something for your under eye, you have serums, you have for your lip. If you don't want to do that, you just have one serum which works on your important skin concern, followed by a moisturizer. And SPF is a must. I keep telling that to everybody. I don't know why people want to skip that part. Because they feel that after my moisturizer, why should I use an SPF? But we do need to use SPF. I think 2 things that can majorly damage anyone's skin. One is sun and second is pollution.
Right.
And what is also important is that you follow the same routine twice a day. I think that's a tip. We all can set our own routines. We can skip a part if we want to just do cleansing, toning and moisturizing if we don't need treatment, or make it more extensive and use more serums and all of that. But the important part is that you stick to the routine.
Right.
Yeah.
That was great, Spanjal. The education you've given us today is very beneficial, and thank you so much for joining us today. Thank you.
Thank you.